Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are fantastic. Listen, before we jump right into PNG, I gotta rant for like 5 seconds, bro. I've had this area marked up. We have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. We have this diagonal resistance. Price goes into it. I'm ready to execute. And guess what? My Blueberry servers, the company I'm with, bro, it's not working. It is not working. I was gonna buy in at 27.27, right? So pretty much somewhere like down here, right, where the red line is, and every dollar gold move, I would either make or lose 700 bucks, and it's pretty much gone up $6. 6 times 7, 4,200. I got cooked out of $4,200. That makes me sad. You know what also makes me sad? PNG. Look, this is the last chart we had marked up with PNG. And we can see, I thought things were going to recover. But you got to remember when I made the video, we still didn't get the daily candle close. Okay? And since then, I haven't really looked at PNG. And wow, that is a huge rejection, right? We went into this imbalance. We closed all the way down here. And then we still sold off a little bit. Not looking the best, but it's still not looking that bad. When we look at PNG, this is on the weekly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of sells, but the selling pressure is extremely low. It's extremely low and is getting weaker and weaker by the week. We can literally see the candles are getting smaller and smaller, right? If I take away the lines, you can see they're getting smaller and smaller. Right now, it's the smallest it's ever been, but the week did just start. But this is actually not that bad because when you look at PNG's history, right, before PNG explodes, historically it sells off very, very slowly, starts kind of recovering slowly, and then boom, right? Sells off very slowly, starts recovering very slowly, and boom. And that is what I expect with PNG, not only because of the great coin it is, not only because of technical analysis, but because where we're at in the market. Bitcoin is going to explode soon, okay? Meaning coins are automatically going to be going up and recovering. Yes, I know Bitcoin dominance is pretty high, but it still stands. So, what is the play with PNG? I think it's a great time to buy. Dollar cost average. What would even dollar cost average at this point? If you're like, okay, I'm willing to put in $1,000 more on PNG, when should I do it? Should I dollar cost average? Right now at 23 cents, fantastic. Personally, I would put that $1,000 in right now. Could you get a possible spike like this before we go up? Yes. But remember, you can't be too stingy in these markets, right? You have to be okay with getting an extremely great price because when it comes to selling, you're going to want to sell at an extremely great price to a pretty good price, right? You're going to want to sell somewhere there. Obviously, you're going to want to sell higher, as high as you can, but you literally can't be too stingy. So overall, it is a great buying opportunity. The bias still remains the same. We have to pretty much get over above this area, above the 27, 28 cents. Once we do, the next relevant target is pretty much 35, 36 cents. And once we do that, there's lots and lots of support and resistance here at 60 cents. And then we have to create, support around 85 cents to burst up, right? I still think PNG is one of those projects that could genuinely 100x, especially from this price point, right? If we look at the market cap right now, I think PNG, I don't even know PNG's market cap off the top of my head. I forgot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 50 million market cap, 5 billion for 100x, right? I've gone through this with Uniswap, with PancakeSwap. I genuinely think this could be a 100x play. I genuinely do think. I'm not even trolling right now. So I still think 100x 5 billion is very, very realistic for this coin, right? That would be roughly at $23 per coin. And I do think we will be seeing those prices over the next year.